Hi guys, my name is Sophia and I'm going to be walking you through my English 219 website portfolio. So first I had to look at the theme I wanted for my website. So I decided to pick a layout that had a good variety of contrast. So I picked purple on the sides and beige. And then I also wanted to make sure that my words and my phrases had a good contrast so I could easily read what it says on each tab, and I can scan for the information that I'm looking for when a viewer is looking at my portfolio. So if we go to home first, I haven't written anything here yet because I just made my site, but this is where you're going to write a little bit something about yourself, and then you also have your reflective memo right on the bottom. This is where you're going to be writing your reflection, and then you always have space for some comments below if you want to say anything. So on the tabs on the side, I think it's a really good way to find everything you're looking for really easily and see what you need. And so each tab is for something different we're going to be working on in the class, which we're going to be filling out and completing by the end of the class. So first we have our project 1 that we're working on at the moment. It's due next week, so that's why I don't have it in here right now. But we are going to be posting our projects here in Project 1 and on Blackboard Learn, so both of the places. So this website just really helps organize everything. We're going to be filling everything out as we go, and that way we can have a complete portfolio by the end of the class. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and I'll talk to you guys later.